Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in not so sunny Southern California. It's a little overcast, but I am starting this video like this because I totally forgot to do an intro. Today's video we are going to be looking at my travel makeup bag because obviously I'm traveling, and I was packing my bag and I decided to film it because it's my first post-pandemic trip. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna get right into it. If you guys want to see the makeup that I brought on my trip, then keep on watching. Okay, so here is the bag that I'm taking. I got it on Amazon. I'm sure you've seen these type of bags. They have the removable inserts and they also have like a little strap. So I took some of the inserts out, but I will probably put them back in. I just wanted to kind of see what I was working with here and know what compartments I will actually need. So I figured we'll just start with my face products. Definitely bringing the e.l.f. Mint Melt Primer as well as the Poreless Putty for my priming. These are just staples for me. And the foundation that I'm going to be bringing is the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. I've talked so much about this. It is my favorite foundation right now. I'm in the shade Neutral Hazel. And it's just like one of those products that just I know is going to look great. I don't know how I'm going to do this. For concealer, I'm going to be bringing the e.l.f. Hydrating and the regular Camo concealer. I really have been enjoying mixing the two of these. I get the best of both worlds, so these are my current go-tos. For bronzer, I'm bringing the Soul Bronzing Balm, which I've been loving, and I'm also bringing the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer because it's just so beautiful, and if I do want to set this, I'll have a powder as well. Also bringing my Milani Cheek Kiss blush in Nude Kiss, which I've talked about extensively. I did a ranking my cream blushes video. If you guys are interested, I will link it. I really like this one. It is a go-to product, so I'm definitely bringing that. And then for powder, I'm going to bring my e.l.f. Bite Size Duo in White Peach because I'll get a blush as well as a highlight. And I like double duty products. So, and it's so small and compact, so easy to bring. Okay, the powder I'm bringing is Old Faithful, which is the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder. It just never fails me. And for setting spray, I got this little mini in my Ipsy Glam bag. It is the Professional Super Setter, and because it's tiny, I thought this would be perfect to just throw in with me. I don't know if I need the box, but it might be easier. It's a little mini. This is perfect. I'm just gonna keep it right in the box. And that is pretty much it for my face products. I am bringing my Real Techniques sponge, but we'll get into tools in a second. So let's move on to eyes. My palettes that I'm bringing, the Jason Wu Desert Rose palette. This I included in my ranking eyeshadow video, and I love it so much. Basic, yes. Beautiful, yes. And I'm also, to complement it, bringing this e.l.f. Bite Size palette in Cream and Sugar. Yes, I lost that shade, but I do have it right here. It's the same shade that was in there, but I'm bringing this because it offers a little bit additional shades like the deep brown, and it does add a little bit more like neutralness. This is very warm, so I'm just bringing it to complement this. I'm basically planning to just do straight up neutral looks. Also bringing mascara. So I have this new Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer that I'm trying. I usually go for the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer, but I wanted to try this out. I'm also bringing my Maybelline Sky High as well as my Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara. I really like both of these a lot, so I don't know. I'm not doing crazy eye looks, so I figured I'll have good mascaras. I also am bringing my trusty Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof eyeliner pen. I just love this. It's my favorite. So I am bringing that in case I want to do a wing. And then I am bringing a lash just in case. This is not the box is not the actual representation of the lash. I'm just bringing a Demi Wispy and I'm putting it in a Lola lash box because it's hard and protective, and I'm also bringing some lash glue. So that is that for brows. I am bringing my ColourPop Style Wax, Feather Effect Styling Wax, and also I'm bringing my NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. And this is just my favorite brow combo right now. And then for lips, I'm bringing 2 lip liners. I'm bringing my L'Oreal Color Riche matte lip liner that still has the plastic on it. This is Matte's It. This is a purpley based nude. And then this one is the Essence. One other thing I forgot to mention are these little eye pots. These are from a brand called Bodyography. I never hear anybody talking about them. These are a dupe for the Hourglass. Hourglass has something similar, and I don't know who came up with it first. I think Bodyography did. This is the shade Sparkler, and I mean, it is just... These are the most stunning, sparkly, beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. It will literally turn any eye look into absolute gorgeousness. And that's the shade Sparkler. I also have the shade called Bubbly. And this one is more of a golden, but same general idea. I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. And so, yeah, I'm bringing both of these just in case I feel like amping up a look for whatever reason. They're small and compact and easy to just throw in here. That's everything for my eyes, lips, and face. I hope that the glare on this mirror isn't too terrible. I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys. Okay, and then for brushes, I have this brush from Base Blue, which I'm loving for my cream blushes. And then this brush from Luxie. This is the Precision Foundation brush I've been using for my cream bronzer. For my powdered bronzer, I have the large angled from Luxie. And I am bringing this foundation brush from Luxie as well. I like to apply my foundation first with this. For all over powder, I have the Hailey's Beauty brush. I love this. I've been loving it. And then this one is a duo fiber from BH Cosmetics Marble Collection, and this I use for highlighter. So those are my face brushes. And then for eye brushes, I'm only bringing 5 brushes, if you can believe this. So I have my Morphe brush that I always talk about that is great for my crease and my outer V. Then I have a more domed shape pencil brush. This is from a BH Cosmetics collection. And I have this concealer brush from Luxie that I use for shimmery shades on my lid. And this Morphe, this is the R39. I use this to blend out my crease. I never put anything on it. It's just a clean brush that I use for blending. And then this little guy is my Zoeva Detailed Shader, and I use that for my inner corners. So that is the brush situation. I'm bringing my Real Techniques sponge. And also 2 products that are going into my other bag with my skincare and hair care. I'm bringing the Batiste dry shampoo in this little mini that I picked up at Ulta. And I love this. It's my favorite dry shampoo. So I got it in a travel size. And then this is a brand called Replenix. I've been obsessed with a few of their products. They've been sending me random PR packages, and this tinted oil-free face sunscreen is SPF 50, and it's got niacinamide, vitamins B, E, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine, and it's tinted so it doesn't leave a white cast. It leaves me so glowy and dewy, and my skin looks gorgeous. I love this stuff. It's amazing. So I like to put this on right before my primer, and yeah, so I'm definitely bringing this with me. So that will probably go in a different bag. I also have this mini Ricky Loves Ricky mirror. This is the big one behind me. And I have this little travel size, and it has a little stand in the back, and it lights up. Where's the button? Here it is. It's so bright. I love it so much for traveling. It's the best. So I'm going to be bringing this guy. And also just because, just in case I have crappy light, I'm also bringing this little ring light that I got from Becca in a PR package a long time ago. So I'm going to be bringing that as well. And then I have these e.l.f. brush cleaner wipes. They're just individually wrapped wipes so that I can clean my brushes on the go if need be. Of course, I'm going to be bringing my color switch. I use this every single day when I'm doing eye looks. And I have a lash curler and a tweezers, must-haves. So this thing has a little flap here for me to stick my brushes. I'm just gonna kind of place them in there. It's so perfect. I think I'm gonna stick the lash curler and the tweezers in there too. Oh my gosh, what a great fit. Can you see that? Like, how perfect is that? And then it has another pocket in here to stick stuff as well. So I'll probably stick my Ricky Loves Ricky in there and this little light. And probably this color switch also. So perfect. Like, look at all the stuff I can fit in this bag. All right, so I just moved a few things around just to get everything exactly fitting in the way that I want it. But I think everything works. Everything fits really well, and I have like room to spare in here. Like, this thing is awesome. I will include a link to it. I got it on Amazon. I think I mentioned that. But I'll include a link to this in the description box down below.
All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the bell so you never miss when I upload a video. You can follow me on social. My handle's @GlamLatte. And don't forget, the Glam Latte Beauty Podcast is everywhere you listen to podcasts. All those details in the description box down below. I'm going to head out now. I don't know. Beach, maybe? Shopping? I don't know, we'll see. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm posting all my adventures on my stories, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.